Alright, this is a bump stop replacement on a 2001 Chevy Tahoe. Front bump stop, this passenger side. Here's the old bump stop. They're located right behind the shock in the front of the suspension here. Now, make sure you jack up the vehicle. Place the jack on the frame rail. Jack stand for safety. Light. When you take the wheel off, these cover nuts, you need to unthread all 6 of them first before this place will pop off and give you access to the lug nuts to come off the studs. All of these 7/8. Now these bump stops are really easy. If you see these indents right here, this is where you can get a screwdriver up in there to pry them out. What I do is just get right up next inside of it, and then you should be able to pull it down and out. Didn't even get my hands dirty. Pretty simple. As you can see, this one's got some decent heavy damage on it. New one will be nice. Just pop this one in there. Okay, when we pop these in here, you want to wedge these back up above those inserts here. See that? And then you're going to kind of push these up and beside here, okay? Now, this is a 2-hand job, so 1 sec. Okay, the new bump stop snapped right into place. Now, when you wedge it back up behind the cup first and get above these tension nubs, I use a blunt object. Don't use your screwdriver. You don't want to puncture or damage the bump stop. So this is just an extension, 3/8 extension, but it's not going to do any puncturing with this flat edge. So I just, right next to the tension nub, snap this one in, snap the next one in, and you hear it just pop into place, and it's ready to go. After that, of course, go ahead and put your wheel back on, loosely put on the lug nuts, remove your jack stand, let the vehicle come back down, put partial weight on the wheels, snug them up and torque each one by cross pattern, and then put your cover plate back on. And remember those cover plate nuts. Once you put this back on, these actually will screw on tight and hold this to the actual lug nuts. These lug nuts, after they're on, have a thread on the outside of them that these thread to. So, got that all secured and done. You can put the full weight back on the vehicle and you're back on the road. And I'm going to move to the other side to replace the other. Hope this was helpful. Take care.